Welcome guys, Cream Bars back again with another reaction video. Today I check out another Trinidad artist. Well, I reacted to one of two of his songs already, Rebel 6. He's no longer alive, he passed away. I think within this year he passed away. So we're gonna check out World War 4 and see what's going on. I think I reacted to World War 3. So this is World War 4. So I'm gonna check out this and see what's going on. Dude, I can tell when he was singing this song, he didn't even anticipate that he was gonna die. That's crazy, bro. Imagine that. Yo, it just sad that this dude passed away with talent. What I really want, bro, most of the artists, even if you're singing badness or whatever, you don't have to be in badness. You understand? Just make your money, help your family, and just live life. But most of these youths just killing themselves, but it doesn't make any sense, bro. With them talented, very talented youths, you know? I know what's funny? It's mostly, when I think about it, it's mostly black people doing this to each other. Because look on the white rappers in America. You never hear a white rapper killing each other. But you always hear a black rapper killing each other. Our next rapper died recently, in this week. So, I'm just saying, bruh. Me catch another one. Double murder, any ends match out. We catch another one. Double murder, them can't come by. Them man a bad man. They never do a crime on face. Cause and put in sex. They might be dump me a madman. Cause scrapey run, but we suck a sex from them run. Badness in them venture, mash your temple. Dog is a right of carries them. In a me hometown, me a done, me tell you. One phone call me just cause sick. Wait, Bunton is a place in Trinidad, right? Because that's what he said. Can't come a Bunton. Normally, dancehall artists sing where they're from in their music. Oh, I'm saying Virgin Finger. Oh, Virgin Finger never kill a man. R.I.P. to you, dude. Damn, that's crazy, bro. I just want, listen, to me, when you're an artist, right? You grown up, probably poor, want to be an artist to help your family, you get money, but why would you turn to like gangsterism and I just don't understand. Listen, I'm a realist. I just see it as it is. I think a lot, I read a lot, so I analyze a lot. So most time when I see stuff like this, I'm like, I just don't understand, bro. Like, if I have the chance to elevate myself to be in a better position in life, there is no way I'm sticking in poverty or in certain situation. You must be crazy. No way, bro. But anyway, this is the end of the reaction video.